There are many different games and movies about a dystopian future that challenge our imagination. We often don't know how it came to be or how it began. Maybe these days we are witnessing the beginning of the future. On January 30 of 2024, a single tweet from Elon Musk sent ripples through the very fabric of human possibility. It declared, "The first human received an implant from Neuralink yesterday and is recovering well." Another tweet, emblazoned with the bold word telepathy, hinted at a future where the boundaries between thought and action might forever blur. So, this means that telepathy is the name of the first product of Neuralink company. This seemingly innocuous tweet unveiled the latest chapter in Neuralink's ambitious saga. This self-proclaimed neurotechnology company dreams of creating a symbiotic link between the human brain and the code logic of computers, all without the cumbersome tether of physical connections. So, what's their main mission? To empower those afflicted by brain damage, mend neurological dysfunctions, and ultimately propel humanity beyond the shackles of its own biology, granting us an age in the ever-evolving our life with artificial intelligence. Elon Musk's inspiration comes from the fertile land of science fiction, like many visionary people before him. The Culture series of Ian Banks paints a mesmerizing picture of a galactic utopia where humans and hyper-intelligent machines coexist in a state of harmonious balance. It seems that Neuralink desired to translate this fictional harmony into physical reality. Building upon the successes gleaned from animal trials, Neuralink imagines a future where electrodes, properly named cybernetic implants, seamlessly weave into the tissue of the human brain, bridging the gap between the organic and the electronic. These complex fibers are similar to a futuristic Bluetooth connection, and this promise to increase our memory, sharpen our cognitive talent, and unlock a world of possibilities before confined to the land of dream. The process itself, though seemingly invasive, is designed with meticulous precision. A specialized robot resembling a futuristic sewing machine gently drills a minuscule opening in the skull, paving the way for the delicate insertion of these wireless electrodes. But the ambitions of Neuralink extend far beyond simple device. Their flagship product, named telepathy, aspires to do exactly what the name suggests: empower individuals to exert control over the device with the sheer force of their thoughts. This revolutionary prospect offers a beacon of hope for people grappling with the disabilities, and this technology is promising a future where physical limitations no longer impede their ability to interact with the world around them. Imagine a world where people who have lost their sight can see again. That's the goal of Neuralink's Prime project, which uses spatial implants to bring light back to their lives. These implants, like tiny robots, connect with the brain and help it understand light signals even the eyes can't. For example, when you want to write a word in the search box on the screen, the device can instantly detect it and type the word you are thinking of. Can you understand that this is a revolution that will make life easier, especially for people with the physical disabilities? Those sparks you see when you rub your eyes, those are tiny electrical messages from your brain. Neuron activation is like listening to messages and figure out what they mean. Think device does just translating brain signals into actions, like seeing colors and shapes of a brain working at its best, like a super-powered computer. Neuralink could help with that too, by fixing broken connections and boosting brain power. This could be amazing for medicine, communication, and even making people stronger and healthier. In particular, it can enable people without limbs to control their robotic limbs just by thinking. Maybe you can listen to a song that no one has ever heard while walking on the street, or do research on any subject you want on the internet just by thinking about it. With great power comes responsibility. Changing how our brains work raises big questions. Is it okay to mix humans and machines? What if machines became smarter than us? These are important things to think about. And Elon Musk, the founder of Neuralink, agrees about this too. He wants to make sure this technology helps everyone, not just a few. Neuralink is like a daring adventure in the unknown, pushing the limits of what's possible. It's exciting, but we need to be careful too. If we do things right, maybe one day, like the book The Culture, the humans and machines will work together to make a better future for all.